5 proven tips to make money from freelance writing. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 proven tips that will help you make money from freelance writing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your freelance writing career to the next level, these tips will help you land high-paying clients and grow your income. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a writer looking to make money online, then this video is for you. Freelance writing is a great way to earn a living from home, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 proven tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Identify your niche. The first tip is to identify your niche. As a freelance writer, you need to specialize in a particular area of writing, such as health and wellness, technology, or finance. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract clients who need content in your niche. Tip number 2. Build your portfolio. The second tip is to build your portfolio. Your portfolio should showcase your best work and demonstrate your writing skills. You can create a blog, guest post on other blogs, or write for content mills to build your portfolio. Tip number 3. Find high-paying clients. The third tip is to find high-paying clients. You can find freelance writing jobs on job boards like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses and bloggers directly to offer your services. Tip number 4. Customize your pitch. The fourth tip is to customize your pitch for each client. You need to show potential clients that you understand their business and can provide value through your writing. Personalize your pitch and highlight your relevant experience. Tip number 5. Deliver high-quality content. The fifth and final tip is to deliver high-quality content. Your clients are paying for your writing skills, so make sure to provide content that meets their needs. Communicate with your clients throughout the writing process to ensure that you deliver exactly what they're looking for. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on 5 proven tips to make money from freelance writing. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, freelance writing takes time and effort, but with these tips, you can grow your income and achieve success as a freelance writer. Thanks for watching.